Do you ever feel like you don't know how to start your day? You wake up and all you want to do is stay in bed and not face the world? Well, it doesn't need to be that way, and in today's video, I'm going to show you that there's more than one way to start your day off. I'll be running down my 7 favorite tips and tricks on how to make sure that your day gets off to a great start. And while everyone is different and there's no one-size-fits-all approach to starting the day, these are proven techniques that can make a big difference in your life. So grab a pen and paper and let's dive right in. Number 1. Get up early. I know, you've heard it a million times before, but there's a reason why so many people say that getting up early is the key to success. For one thing, you'll have a chance to get your day started before the rest of the world is awake and clamoring for your attention. You'll also have the chance to enjoy the peace and quiet of the morning hours, and to get in a little extra time for something you enjoy, such as reading, writing, or meditating. And who knows, you might even find that you're more productive when you have a head start on the day. So next time you're feeling like you need a fresh start, try setting your alarm a little earlier than usual. You might be surprised at how good it feels to start your day off with a little extra time to yourself. Number 2, connect with loved ones. If you're like most people, your day starts with a frantic search for your phone. Once you've finally located it, you spend the next few minutes scrolling through notifications and responding to messages. But what if instead of starting your day by looking at a screen, you took a few minutes to connect with the people who matter most to you? Reaching out to loved ones is a great way to feel supported and loved, and taking the time to connect with those who matter most will help you feel more connected and grounded as you face the challenges of the day ahead. So go ahead and put down your phone, step away from your computer, and reach out to the people who matter most to you. Your day will be all the better for it. Number 3, take a moment to show gratitude. No matter what our individual routines look like, there's one thing we can all do to start our day off right. Take a moment to show gratitude. You can do this by simply saying thanks to the universe, your higher power, or whatever you believe in. You can also write down 5 things you're grateful for in a journal. This will help you focus on the positive things in your life and set the tone for the day. Additionally, you can start the day with a smile by doing something nice for someone else. Pay for the coffee of the person behind you in line, or leave a generous tip for your server. Small acts of kindness can go a long way in making someone's day, and they'll also make you feel good. However you choose to do it, taking a moment to show gratitude is a great way to start your day off on the right foot. Number 4, start with self-care. I wake up most mornings feeling like a zombie. I'm often still tired from the day before, and I have to force myself to get out of bed. But I've found that if I give myself some self-care in the morning, it helps me to feel more awake and ready to take on the day. For me, that usually means treating myself to a nice cup of coffee. But whether it's spending a few minutes meditating, going for a quick jog, or you're like me and just want to take the time to relax and enjoy your coffee, starting your day with a bit of self-care can help you feel more centered and focused. And who doesn't want to start the day feeling like they're already ahead of the game? So tomorrow when your alarm goes off, take a deep breath and give yourself permission to enjoy a few moments of peace and tranquility before jumping into the hustle and bustle of the day. And before we get into tip number 5, I'm going to take this opportunity to remind you to give me that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying the video. Number 5, review your goals. If you're like most people, you probably find that the majority of your days are spent feeling like you're just going through the motions. You wake up, go to work, come home, eat dinner, watch TV, and then go to bed. Rinse and repeat. But what if there was a way to break out of this monotony? A way to make sure that each day was purposeful and had a specific goal in mind? Well, it turns out there is. Starting your day by reviewing your goals is a great way to stay focused and on track. It allows you to see where you're going and what you need to do to get there. Plus, it gives you a sense of direction and purpose for the day ahead. Number 6, get moving. Most of us have heard the old saying, the early bird gets the worm. While that may not be the most appetizing image, there's truth to the idea that starting your day off right can set the tone for the rest of the day. One of the best ways to do that is to get moving as soon as you wake up. Exercise is a great way to get your blood flowing and your body working. Even if you're not a morning person, there are plenty of ways to get moving that don't require a lot of effort. Taking a brisk walk around the block, doing some simple stretches, or even just dancing around your bedroom for a few minutes can all help to wake you up and get you ready for the day ahead. Next time you're struggling to get out of bed in the morning, remind yourself that getting moving is one of the best ways to start your day off right. Number 7, drink water. As anyone who's ever had a hangover knows, dehydration can be a real pain. Thankfully, there's a simple cure. Drink lots of water. Drinking water first thing in the morning is one of the best ways to rehydrate the body. The reason is simple. When you wake up, your body is already dehydrated from a night of sleep. By drinking water first thing in the morning, you can replenish your body's fluids and help prevent dehydration throughout the day. So if you're looking for a quick and easy way to get your days off on the right foot, start each day by drinking a glass of water. Your body will thank you for it. It looks like YouTube thinks this next video is just what you need to help you live your best life. Why don't you give it a watch and see if they're right?